And we're just going to do a little piece right about in the front there. This is a 1/4 inch cable, cord. And it doesn't really matter if it's nylon or something like that. It tends to really fray the stuff around the edges once you cut it. So I go in there with a little bit of hot glue and stop the fraying. And I dip my fingers in a little water to avoid the pain. And then we can just kind of roll that around and nice and neatly there.
Ronnie is saying, this would have helped me when I made my Kirk Douglas puppet.
Kirk Douglas, oh wow.
Pepper, Barry is an amazing instructor. First class blew me away. Second is doing the same.
Oh my goodness, we haven't even gotten anywhere yet. You're very kind, thank you so much. So, a lip that will go right about there. That's a little big. I think I'm just gonna take a little off the side there. It doesn't need to be very big. So I use rope for creating little accents like lips and wrinkles. If I want to do like a wrinkly forehead on something, rope works really great for that. And we were talking a lot yesterday about the stiffening properties of hot glue. And this technique will take advantage of that. Once we attach it to the face, we'll be, and once we get ready to attach the fabric to the face, we'll be using hot glue along the edges of the rope, just one edge of the rope, to create a really hard line.
Hey Curious Mondo fans, thank you for checking out our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, check out the other videos in the channel for some fabulous tips, techniques, and interviews with artists.